Timuraka twetikire. She's not appealing.
Ino ni miario iria kutuma Bishop Ben akorwo akiambwo ndurika ni undu wa gukorwo akiaria miario na hau kabere miario aritie in that video ikoretwo igitrend muno. Last week was not an easy week kuri Muthee Ngei, and this week also seems gukorwo ihuire maundu maingi muno kuona ahiki ni makorwo makimukirira na njira nene muno ni undu wa gwita one particular lady an ugly lady na gukorwo akimu body shame akiuga ati ti muthaka na nginyagia ni munoru. Ndeto yakorwo ikirakaria muhiki ucio uria wakorwo akiingira nenda-ini ciake cia ukinyaniria na go promise Ngei ati ni agwika kiundu tondu ni agwikinya kanitha ucio wake wa JCM. This particular lady oikaine ta Pretty Vishi, ex-girlfriend ya musician Steve Boy, akiaria on Instagram augite ati ciugo icio cia Ngei ni imucoketie na thutha muno kuona she has been working on herself tondu andu ni makoretwo makimu body shame muno na nginyagia kuga ati ti muthaka kuona Ngei has received a lot of backlash ndu wa miario yake kuri muhiki uyu gwitwo Pretty Vishi. He has sincerely apologized to her na kanitha wake wa JCM kuona he is a church leader. Cieko cia gikorwo ikirakaria ahiki muno na nginyagia Pretty Vishi. Ngei akiandikira Pretty Vishi ndumiriri ngumukutia akiuga I am really sorry and I take this moment to highly apologize for mentioning your name in a show where I went overboard and mentioned you in a wrong way. Get a space in your heart to forgive me for addressing you in a wrong way. This will never happen in future. Oro wakorwo apologize kule JCM Church for this bad view of this lady gwitwo Pretty Vishi, na ni ukuona ciugo iria akenya magikorwo makiroria kuri Ngei makimwira ati hau naho ndanagika wega na ni agire gukorwo agicunga kiria araria tondu riu ni mutongoria wa hiki na nginyagia arume a bururi uyu ndi gucitenderithia makiria ndaciaria toria cia nginyira. Make sure ni wa turn on your notification na wa subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ukamukagira video citu tucemanie na wa next one.